Hi, and welcome back to the Dr. Ramsey Show. Today, I'd like to share something personal with you. On January 7th, I'm having a hip replacement, the first of two. The reason I need a hip replacement is I was born with something called hip dysplasia. My brother was too. He already has two new hips. So now it's my turn. It was inevitable. So I'm going to be gone for a week. I will be back on the 17th of January. In the meantime, we have a nurse practitioner, Miriam. She will be here. She's trained in doing pellets. She can fill prescriptions. She can treat you. And then I'll be back the week after. My assistant, Lily, will be in contact with me with your questions that you have. So you're not going to be alone for that week. And then just to let you know, we have two more nurse practitioners joining us that will be training in hormones with me so that patients can get into my schedule or our schedule sooner. So you're going to have a lot more opportunity here at the office. But I want you to know you're not alone the week I'm gone. You have plenty of support from our office, and all of you will meet Miriam, our nurse practitioner, when you come back into the office the next time. So thank you for listening. And I know I'm going to be fine. I don't want anybody to worry about me. If you want to send prayers, that's fine. But I expect to heal well because of our therapies. What we do, and a lot of our patients do this around surgeries, is pre and post-op treatments to help us recover much faster, significantly faster. I'm only taking a week off after a hip replacement. What are the treatments? One is hyperbaric oxygen. Bones have very low blood supply, so the healing is very slow. So I'm going to get into the chamber every day after my surgery. And then also we do IV therapy. One of the nutrients that is superior for post-surgery anesthesia is glutathione. Glutathione pulls out all the anesthesia and inflammation in the body caused by the surgery. We use Tramiel. Tramiel is a injectable homeopathic remedy that comes from Germany that has all the homeopathic remedies that treat pain, inflammation, etc. So it makes us heal faster. So I expect to be back really quickly. And then everything will be back to normal after a week, I'm sure. So thank you for listening and have a beautiful day. I will see you when I get back. Bye-bye.